Trades on my watch list for this week and the insights of the past trades I took as well. Firstly, I'm watching our farm Griffin. Hopefully, I find the long. We broke below the support, and I still expect price to get a retest or a breakout around there. If we could get a breakout of this resistance, um, then we expect something like this: get a breakout, a retest, and then continuation. But that's if only we get a breakout first of all. That's what I'll be watching out for. Though on the 5 minutes time frame, we could see market structure shifting in the lower time frame. Sorry, we could see a market structure shift on the lower time frame. We had a downward trend for a while. I think from yesterday, we had a downward trend from, you see, we keep making highs and lows and highs and then lows and but then we made equal highs here. Hopefully if this holds out, I'll be looking to enter along somewhere. Around here. If we get a retest, hopefully during New York session, a retest somewhere around here. I'll be looking for a long, and then TP probably, yeah, that would be my first take profit somewhere here. And then, but if I'm to hold it for swing position, which is for long term, then let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Then this will be an ideal setup. For Griffin. Also on Zero Bro. I had a short on this one on Sunday, though I didn't post it in the group. It was just in my own private account. And I'm still holding Zero Bro as well on my staking account. Staking, and that's I don't know if some of you know what that means, but it's like I'm holding a position in sports, but then you get paid you earn back coins for holding that position. It's on Binance. You can check it up on YouTube. So I still have this coin as well in my sports holding. This was a trade I took on Sunday in my personal. I hope I'm watching out for re-entry of a short around here. If price fails to break out from here, hopefully we'll get a short this week somewhere around here, and then TP we'll see how the market plays out when it gets here. First of all, then I'll look for an entry, but so far I'm not leaning bullish yet, even though it's showing early signs of bull stepping in, but I'm still not very bullish on it yet. And then on PopCat, we had a trade yesterday, a short trade yesterday. Price broke below the trend line where the trend line support was holding since. A breakdown. That's why I took the short yesterday. Though my position is closed, but the trade is still running. If you're still holding, hopefully I might still re-enter if we could get price do this, push above here, and then if we don't hold, there's a further look up. I'll adjust it as a further look up around there to see if we could get it filled up, and then a continuation, because clearly we're in a downtrend. On this. I don't see anything bullish on this chart. We're in a downtrend on this, so if we could get a push up back to this level and a rejection, I might look for a short. But otherwise, if we get a push back up there, and then if price tries to hold above here and continue, then I'll look for long, and then our TP will be to take out this high. Our TP will be somewhere around here. Let me use the proper our TP will be somewhere around here. That's if price reclaims the trend line support, then we'll take a long, and then our TP will be somewhere around there. So I also have that as well on my watch list, depending on what that will be a 12% a 10% long. So hopefully I'm still keeping an eye on Popcats. I'm not taking any trades from here, and then my previous position from yesterday is already closed. I think $133 profit. So I'm still watching out for this. Even though in the higher time frame, I really don't expect that much from it. I still expect price to push downward, but let's just see what happens when we get back there. And HU as well. I'm looking for an entry on this coin. I missed the setup during the weekend. I was supposed to take a shot here, but I was sleeping, so I missed out on this one. But hopefully we'll look for long. If we could get a tap in this zone, if we get a tap back in this zone. I don't know when my laptop is making this sound, but I hope you guys could hear me clearly. If we get a tap in this zone, or a proper sweep of liquidity around here, if we get a sweep of liquidity around here, and price if we see a bit of what's it called, market structure shift after that happens, then I'll be looking for a long somewhere here, and to see if we could take out this high as well, or maybe to see if we could tap into one of these fair value gaps somewhere around here. I'll be looking for a long there, to take profit there. Take profit 1 might be around here, and then take profit 2 as well here, and then 3 will be here, but I'm not planning to hold it for long. But that will be just a quick scalp in and scalp out. But that's if we get a sweep of liquidity of around here, and then price reclaims this level, then I'll look for long. Otherwise I'll look for long around somewhere around here, or maybe on this other fair value gap as well. These are the 3 zones I'll be marking out for. Let me use the proper tools as well. These are the 3 zones I'll be marking out for an entry on HU. This, and then a tap into this fair value gap. Whichever one tends to hold and find a strong other block around there, we'll look for an entry as well. And then on Zeribro, I think I shared this chart some days ago in the group. I don't know if I did, but maybe. Could see price still in the range. Nothing much has happened here. It just keeps going still ranging around here. If we could get a breakdown, then that would be a bearish continuation. Let me see something. If we get a breakdown, then that would be a bearish continuation. We'll see a downward push somewhere around there, get a retest, and then we'll take our shots. Otherwise, if we get a push back up and a breakout, I will look for long and then take it around there, depending on which one comes first. But so far, I'm not trying to catch a knife. I'll just wait to see whichever one plays out before I enter. Though I'm leaning slightly bullish on this one, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait until the market gives us a nice setup as well. So far, I think this is all I have. And then ENA as well. ENA, yeah, this is a nice coin. Though I'm holding this one as well in my sports bag. I don't think I want to trade this on leverage. It's a very nice coin as well in the long term run. I feel like this might have a nice reward for holders. Also with OM, I'm looking for long on OM as well. our last long on OM failed. I was expecting price to hold this to break above this resistance, and then, but yeah, that failed. So that's why I closed that trade now. It didn't hit stop loss, but I closed it in loss. It was very close to stop loss. I just closed this one out. Hopefully we get a pushback up and a breakout this time. I still expect very much from this coin. Hopefully we get a pushback up, a little bit of a retest, and then continuation. Yeah, if possible, continuation up to this level as well. This coin is one of the trades I might be holding in my, if I'm to hold a long term, hold for long term, this is one of the trades I'll be watching out for. And also, yeah, that's for long term position. I'm also looking to see if we could get price up to this level, and yeah, after the whole rigging and everything, I still expect much from this coin. Yeah, I still expect much from this coin. Well, in the next few months, not, it won't be this week or next week. So if you're planning to hold your spot bag, I think ENA, yeah, and OM, and what's it called again, and ZRO. These are pretty good coins to hold for long term. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, I'll try to make a video this week explaining more on the basic things to focus on if you're a beginner in trading, like what does sports trade. I think those ones you can find it on YouTube. What does sports trading means, leverage and entries, and how to find other blogs, and also time frame and everything. I'll try to explain that in the next video. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day.